Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 10th. Today we are doing Part A, Unit 4, Entrepreneurial Skills. First part. First of all, what is entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a person who, rather than working as an employee, creates and runs a small business, accepting all the risk and rewards of the venture. It means we can say the entrepreneur is a businessman who runs a business with their own, and he all takes all the risk and reward, also taking the rewards of the venture. Entrepreneurs plays a very important role in any economy. Entrepreneurship and society. Entrepreneurship is the process of discovering an opportunity, mobilizing resources, launching an enterprise to use the opportunity. A business is established in a society for the welfare of the people. An entrepreneur accelerates the economic growth of a society. Qualities of an entrepreneur. You must be familiar with famous business houses like Tata, Birla, Modi, Ambani's, etc. They all started as small scale businesses and made their empire over the period of time with their hard work and special qualities that make an entrepreneur. Here are some of the qualities of an entrepreneur. First is discipline. The businessmen are focused on making their business work. It means the first quality in a business should be a disciplined person. He or she should be a disciplined person. Confidence. A businessman or an entrepreneur are confident that they will make their business succeeded. Flexibility. Entrepreneurs realize that every event and situation is a business opportunity. They have the ability to look at everything around them and focus it towards their goal. Taking initiative. Entrepreneurs takes an initiative first by themselves. Competitive. A businessman know how to win the business that they create. The entrepreneurs highlight their own company's track record of success. Creativity. Entrepreneurs does creativity in their business so that their business can grow more and more. Determination. Entrepreneurs are determined to make all of their endeavors succeeded, so they keep trying until it succeeds. Motivator. Most successful entrepreneurs know how to motivate their employees so that their business grows overall. They are very good at highlighting the benefits of any situation and coaching others to their success. Next, functions of an entrepreneur. What an entrepreneur does, what a businessman does. First is innovation. An entrepreneur or a businessman should always have innovative mind so that they can grow their business. Risk taking. He or she should be intelligent enough to diversify the risk in production, investment, and expansion of the enterprise. Building of an organization. It is also one of the business of the entrepreneur. The entrepreneur should have enough skills to utilize the resources with minimum loss and bring down the production cost. Taking initiative. Entrepreneur is a proactivity that takes such actions which others cannot even perceive. This unique function of entrepreneurship provides our civilization with a wide variety of products, ways of action, production, and techniques, etc. We all know that a serviceman cannot take any initiative by their own, but an entrepreneurship, he or she can take risk in their business. He or she can do innovation to build in their organization, and they can take the initiative, which is good for their economy also. Next is identify opportunities and prospects. Entrepreneurship searches those activities of value that have an economic and social contribution both. Decision making, a person should also have taking the decision, have power to take the decision. Entrepreneurship is a new initiative, therefore it has to take decision about multivariate issues that affect new ventures. Technology transfer and adaptation. Entrepreneurship throughout the world brings invented technology from different corners of the world and makes it appropriate by making required adjustment for social conditions. This function of entrepreneurship involves identifying appropriate technology with market potentials and adapts it into the local environment. Fostering autonomy. Entrepreneurship is an exposure of creating facilities that provide personal satisfaction and independence. Thank you.